Hi, everyone! Today, let's draw a yellow excavator. Look! A bright yellow color for our big machine. Wow! Wow! It's glowing! Aha!
It's real! A real yellow excavator.
It's so cool.
That excavator looks fun to drive. Vroom! I am the boss now.
Oh no! Monkey Bandit, stop! Stop that! Help! A monkey is destroying the city with a big machine. Don't worry, we're coming!
Look out! That was close!
Magic brush, help me stop him!
You can't run away, Monkey Bandit! Blarg!
The bridge is breaking! Careful! Time for the magic net.
Gotcha! Gotcha! Now stop this machine!
Monkey Bandit, you must say sorry to everyone.
Sorry.
Good job! Now put the dirt back over there.
Thank you, heroes. The construction site is safe now.
Remember, kids, always use your tools for good things. What vehicle should we draw next time?
Don't forget to like and subscribe to Busy Vehicles Kids for more adventures. Bye-bye.